Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got a Redmi Note 11 and the next OS latest version got released for the Redmi Note 11. Things are all working very fine. This is the OS version named Icecaps. My mobile phone is currently 4 GB variant having 128 GB storage. So we are getting stock Mi dialer and also the call recording feature. And also we are getting Mi SMS, the SMS application from the Xiaomi. Both SIM cards are in my mobile phone and working perfectly, having a strong signals and also both VoLTE working fine. So this is the control center of the ROM. If you want, you can change the control center the way you like, but you have to go to the customization section. This is the notification center. So the fingerprint scanner is working very perfectly. Also, the face unlocking is working.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टेलीनॉर कस्टमर केयर में खुशामद मुअज़्ज़िज़ सारिफ आपका मौजूदा बैलेंस है
You can see that the calling is working, incoming calls and outgoing calls. So about the always on display, if I tap on it, it is already turned on. And if I tap display items, I can select the AOD always. I can set schedule and I can select the for 10 seconds after tapping recommended, right? Essence, right? If I tap on it, so here is a section that where we can customize the ROM. Many modifications provided with the ROM. Like for example, if I go to icon 5, I can see that there are a bunch of settings or customization. If I tap on Wi-Fi icons, here are many icons available and signal icons customization, then battery icon customization. Currently, I have selected this one and then VO Wi-Fi VoLTE. So I can say that definitely you are going to like this ROM because we have bunch of customization. We can modify the ROM. Already this is a custom ROM, but still we can customize the ROM the way we like. I can see that we are getting an option of lock maximum frame per second. You will see few features or few options on this section where you can change the things if you are like a gamer, if you are playing heavy games on your mobile phone. So theming is the another section in modification or customization section where we can customize the things that we like to have on the ROM. If I tap on the home screen, I can see many things on the home screen settings also. Different type of things. Next OS is a very famous ROM and whenever the latest release comes, I always getting informed by my viewers that the Redmi Note 11 is having a latest version of the next OS make a video. Now what about the device certified? I will go to my Play Store. We are getting device is certified by default with this ROM. The applications that you can see on mobile phone, download it straight away from the Google Play Store. And you can see that the safety net is passed. The banking application will be working because the device is certified by default and also the ROM is not rooted. So what about the camera application? The modes that you can see on the camera application working, all modes are working very perfectly. I got no issues capturing the pictures or recording videos, like taking a picture from the front camera or from the rear camera. The ROM is smooth. So about the screen recorder, so we are getting up to 90 fps. So watch the further video how to flash the ROM on the Redmi Note 11. So before starting the flashing procedure, your mobile phone bootloader is supposed to be unlocked. Must unlock the bootloader first, then you can flash the ROM, and the bootloader must be remain unlocked as far you are using the customized ROM. You need to save all the internal storage data. Otherwise, all the data will be formatted. Check the mobile battery must be charged not below 30, above 30. Go to fingerprints, face data, etc., and turn off the lock screen. In case if you are using Xiaomi account, Like if you are using any Hyper OS ROM or any MIUI ROM, you need to remove the Xiaomi account. Go to account and sync and remove the Google account. But sync it first, then remove it to avoid any issues later on. Now the mobile phone is supposed to be updated once to the Android 13, whatever version you are using, either Xiaomi EU ROM or any other AOSP ROM, but the phone was updated once to the Android 13, then you can continue flushing the ROM. Doing all these things, then you can simply power off the mobile phone. I have provided links in my video description. Just make a new folder on your computer hard drive and download these files. This is the TWRP 3.7.0 for the Redmi Note 11. The SPES and SPESN and platform tools. The next Hyper OS, this is the current latest version. First of all, extract the platform tools in same folder, then copy the recovery file from the downloaded folder and open the extracted folder of the platform tools and paste the file over here. Then rename the recovery file. Select it, press F2, then simply rename recovery. The file name is supposed to be recovery.img. Press enter key. Then right click on the CMD and left click on run as administrator. Click yes on next pop-up window. The command window will open. Mobile phone is supposed to be power off. We need to boot the mobile phone into fast boot mode. Check the other side of the cable must be connected with computer. Press and hold the volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see a fast boot screen. Release the volume down key. Now on the computer screen, we have to flash the custom recovery. For that, type the command fast boot space flash space boot space recovery.img. Press enter key. Done. Reboot the mobile phone by giving the command fast boot space reboot. Enter key, immediately press and hold the volume up key. You need to press the volume up key before Mi logo appears. Now you can release the key, just wait. The mobile phone will boot into custom recovery. We got the T1 recovery and I can close the command window and I will go back to my downloaded folder. Internal storage got appears on my computer screen. So I will double click the internal storage to check the folders are proper. Yes, I got all the proper folders name over here, which means that storage is not encrypted. It is decrypted. I can copy paste. Now I will go to my downloaded folder and then I will copy the next Hyper OS ROM file from the downloaded folder and will go back to my internal storage and I will paste the file over here. File got copied and I am done from the computer. Disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone, then press the power key and then swipe to unlock. Then simply tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe, select first partition, second partition, third. That's all. Swipe. When done, go back to main screen, tap install. Scroll down, select the ROM file that I just copied by tapping on it and then put a tick sign on automatically reflash TWRP from after flashing a ROM. Put a tick sign over here and then swipe to start flashing. Now we have to wait here. So finally flashing got completed and when it is done, then go back to main screen. Then tap wipe, tap format data, type YES, then tap here. When done, then tap reboot system. Mobile phone will stay little while on this Mi logo and then will start booting to the ROM. So the first boot will take a little time. Now we have to wait. Finally, first boot completed. I will complete the setup screen. Flashing went very smoothly. I got the latest version of the NextOS on my Redmi Note 11. So give some time to optimize. When the ROM get optimized, you will see the performance will be very smooth. We'll tap the My Device. This is the latest version of the NextOS. and having Android 13. Let me go to details. Android 13 model number. I got the B spent version over here. Well, things done very smoothly. I'm so happy that I got a good customized ROM on the Redmi Note 11. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.